So it's 8 a.m. We are ready for today's journey, a 60 km ride to my office. Uh, there will be village roads, there will be highway. We'll go through heavy traffic and all. It will be fun. So let's gear up. Alright, so it's 8:22. We are a little late. I originally planned on leaving on exactly 8, but it's okay. So let's begin. The past around 30-35 kilometers will be these type of roads. Yeah, there will be a highway, but the highway will be inside villages, so it will feel like village road. And then we'll enter the city, and there will be so much chaos, so much traffic, autos coming from here and there and all. Grab my glasses. Ah shit. Yeah, this is CDR. Alright, now that we have HD mode on, I mean I have my glasses on, we can zoom. Wow, pop. For the next like 2 kilometers, it will seem like we are in a city because the area will be really congested and people will be coming from here and there. We need to ride very defensively. I don't trust these auto wale bhaiya. Jaldi go. If you can't go, let me go. They are just having chit chats in the middle of the road. What the f, man? Comes the beauty of trees. Look how beautiful it looks. These huge trees beside the road. Yeah, they are dangerous. Like if a branch fall down on me, I am probably dead. But yeah, this part of the road looks so beautiful. Straight road, you can see way ahead, and there are these trees. They look really beautiful, man.
down and then the up, and this trees adds more beauty to it. So let's just keep enjoying. Okay, so we need to have a tea break. I need to find a good place and then I will have a tea break. So let's just go slow and stand for a good tea shop. So we are gonna go there and we have to go. Okay, so we are having our morning tea here, and look at Luna, how beautiful she looks. So the plan is we'll have a 10 minutes break, refreshment breaks. My hair is all banged up. Then there comes the big city roads, and there will be lots of traffic, but it's around 9:30 I guess, so I need to reach within max 1.5 hour. So yeah, I'll just have the tea break and then I'll meet you on the road again. Till then, bye bye. Done with the tea break. Now we'll get on to Luna again and continue our journey. So I have around 1.5 hour, so let's go. Are off. Off we go. I have my watch, my headset, my phone, my wallet, everything. Now just let's roll. See traffic? I'm coming. Bruh. These brakes. You will say that the 300R has bad brakes. What I did was to switch for ceramic brake pads, the ones that come from factory on the CBR 650R. I got them, the ceramic ones, and I installed them on my front brake, and then here is also the Bembo style, obviously copy, radial master cylinders, which they also add some more pressure to the brake line. So yeah, that's how it is. The initial bite is not that. This brake doesn't fade away over the ride, anymore, and I can feel more confident while using it. Whereas when you have axial calipers, the ones that come from factory, they have great initial bite, but as soon as you pull the lever, your front gets loaded with, the center of gravity comes to the front, and it takes a nosedive. The bike takes a nosedive. That really hurts the confidence. So yeah, these radial master cylinders are doing their bike. The rear brakes are not that great, I'd say. Plus, I'm having the stock effects. I haven't upgraded. I have changed them twice, but I haven't upgraded them. And anyway, I don't use rear brakes as much as I do now. So in traffic only, I use the rear brakes. Then I rely on the front brakes. It's a 60-40 or you could say 70-30. You know, 70% front, 30% rear brake. That's what you should do. Alright, we have entered the highway officially. My voice has broken down due to screaming loudly for the camera, and there isn't much traffic around here, but as soon as I reach Kolkata there will be traffic. I will be pretty bad. Let's just skip through this empty road for now. So here is the city traffic. It will take forever.
One eternity later.
Don't know anything about it. I just follow the map till I'm lost and I need to ask for help from strangers. You then just let's follow the map. Where the fuck am I? What is this place? Turning here. Okay, thank you, Mr. Google Map. Okay, it wants me to take a U-turn, so I should just probably keep switching lanes till I am there. Yeah, so here I have to take a U-turn. Alright. And it was too wide of a U-turn. Alright. Now I know this place. This is my daily commute route. Though I travel in auto on this road, I know that road. So there wouldn't be need of Google Maps from now. But yes, that should be. They can easily go ahead, but I don't know why they are stopping. Feels like home when you come from a place like 5 minutes ago I was feeling lost because I didn't know where I was, and now I know the road, so it feels like I'm in my home. I'll just
A few moments later.
so we have reached. Alright, so as I'm coming first time with my bike, there were some issues. Yes, we are finally inside our office parking.
So we have finally reached our destination. It was a fun ride. I'll meet back with you guys in the next vlog. Anyway, enjoy. Bye bye.